Hi and welcome to my new library solution. As you can see here, it is very friendly, very simple. Here we have the book administration, here the people administration, and here the loan of book administration. And at last we have here some listings about books, people, and loans of books. First of all, I am going to show you the book administration. As you can see here, we always are connected to the database. Now, here we have the fields of a book on our database. As you can see, we can move around the registers. And if you see here, we have some information about the loan book. Here we have the number of the loan, we have the name of the person, the surname, and if he is a pupil, here we have the tutor name and surname. And now we can use reset to search a book in our database. We press reset and the fields go out, and we can type something here and we click on search, and here we have all fields of the book we have searching, and that's all of the book administration. Now the people administration, we can see pupils, tutors, and other persons. Pupils, as always, we connect to the database. Pupils have some fields, and here have the tutor field, and this tutor field, if it change, see what happens. It is reading the tutor table, and if we do this and press reset, we can search the pupil we want here. And now the tutor table, if you can see, we can move around the tutors. We have the email because they don't have a tutor. And at last, the other people is similar to the tutor table, and with other fields. If you press it and search, it's always the same. You can search with the name, with the surname, and now the loan table. Loan table, it's more difficult to understand. Here you have the number of the loan, the number of book, the number of person. If you can see here, if I change the register, this change. This is because it searches the number of book on the database, and it prints the number of the book and the author of the book, and the number of person searched on the database, the person who has this loan, in this case Pablo Albedria. You can see too this mark, it is the devolution state. If you can see someone, and no, well, I am going to do some learn about a book. I click here and I'm going to this book, El nombre del viento de Patrick Rothfuss. And I am going to here to this tutor. I am going to save, and the loan has been succeed. We go to the book table and search for 123. Yes, correct. Number of loan and the person who did it. And if we want to return the book, we must do this only. Mark this and save, and the return has been succeeded. If we go to the book table and go to the 123, we see that now it hasn't any loan number and it hasn't person. And at last we have the listings of books for number of register, type of book type, novel. We have different types: pupils with the illustrators, as you can see here, pupils with tutors, other people. And that's all, and thank you for your attention.